We're the Helping Ninjas and we like to help people.
We will be donating everything we got from our lemonade stand.
You got it?
Okay, you help Leo. I got this.
Become a Helping Ninja today and help those who are in need.
Hello. Way to go.
Become a Helping Ninja today and help those who are in need. Start your own lemonade business in your neighborhood.
You're not surprised. A lot of people want to help. We aren't the only ones. Everybody who
And please help and donate. We just want to help. Pitch in.
donate toys,
donate
donate
anything.
toothbrushes, anything.
Anything. We appreciate it. Anything. Thank you.
That's great.
Donate now and make some effort to help hurricane victims.
Diapers up into the truck, okay? That's for the diapers.
For the Helping Ninjas.
People in the homes, they don't have anything. It's going to take a while to just recover from all of that to help hurricane victims.